like we need some more energy in the room, huh? It's lovely to be here tonight. I am excited. We're gonna have some fun. We've got some great singers in the back too. But most importantly, I think we all know the reason we are here tonight. So I appreciate and I want to thank all of you for making the time out of your busy days and of your busy weekends to be here tonight and to be a part of a good cause and to give back to the community. As our opener, we are gonna sing, or we're gonna do a song, Yongjiya Kayi, and this is a song that we released recently. And I got to do some part of the videos while I was traveling in Mizoram when I went to visit about 20 refugee camps, and I was able to see firsthand how there's so much need. But this song, they wrote it out of for Lukoyene, and it was created in an album, and they released it with the NUG government to really just uplift us, and especially those our brothers and sisters back home, to give them a hope, to give them a future. And that's what we're all here for tonight, right? To give them a hope and a future, to support them in whatever we can. So let's enjoy and let's support each other with flowers and however we can tonight. This is called Yongjiya Kayi. Alright, sorry. If you guys have some music ears, I think you can hear it's a little bit off, so we're just gonna fix the guitar really quick, yeah? Let's give it up for our band again, alright? The octave. Sometimes this happens. It's life, right? It's instruments.